Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that belongs to the world of chemical sciences. It is a liquid. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as phosphoric acid, phosphoric acid, phos, pho, ric, acid, phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid is generally safe in diluted forms and is used in various food and cleaning products. However, concentrated phosphoric acid can be corrosive and harmful. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about phosphoric acid, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.